How to turn on self-deleting messages in Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're in Wire Messenger and want to turn on self-deleting messages, then this feature helps keep your conversation more private by automatically removing messages after a set period of time. First of all, launch Open Wire Messenger application on your device and log in. Go ahead and open up an individual conversation or a group conversation where you want to enable self-deleting messages. And once you're inside, go to the top of the screen and tap on the name drop-down. Click on Conversation Details. Inside the Details tab, click on Self-Deleting Message and select a time period. Choose how long messages should remain before they are automatically deleted. And once you do that, click on the cross mark at the top right. And now, if you send a new message in the group, the conversation will be automatically deleted after the selected time period. And that's it. You successfully turned on self-destructing or self-deleting message on Wire Messenger. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.